Okay, here we go.
Alright, so me and Raina.
What's your names? Tell me.
Well, Savannah, this is Raina. We put a little twist on the cookie dropper product. We wanted a cookie froster. So basically, when we click that button, this is supposed to push the cookie underneath frosting, and then these two wheels will turn, squeeze the tube of frosting, and then it'll push it off after. So.
Okay. All right. Whoa. Nice. Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Yeah, really, all you need is just a treadmill this way.
Yeah.
You know, so it comes in, squirts it, that pushes it off, and then the next one comes in. That'd be easy. You should do that.
Yeah, we could make some.
Okay. All right. Okay. Nice job.